Yo, V Nation, are you looking for something to kind of keep your desk all neat from all them pesky crumbs or your cabinets or your cabinet surfaces and stuff like that? Then I think I got what you need with this little mini cabinet or mini desk vacuum, all right? So if you're interested in something like this, you might want to stay tuned and check out this video, all right? All right. Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, V Nation, this is your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a desktop cleaner / little desktop vacuum to help keep your little area clean. But before we get started, I want to give all thanks and praise to my Heavenly Father, God and Savior Jesus Christ for making all this possible, alright? Alright. By the way, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit that subscribe button? It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. Alright? Alright. Appreciate it. Woo. Okay, V Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to take a look at a desktop cleaner / I call it a little, mini vac, to help keep your area clean, like, like for your desk, if you got them little pesky crumbs, or you've been eating crackers or cookies or whatever, or, in your kitchen, you want to keep your, your countertops, from something like salt and, all the little stuff all the little crumbs to be, in your kitchen or on your desk. This is something that kind of help, trying to help you out, clean, keep that area, all those areas clean. All right. Let me give you some specs for the spank junkies out there. All right. It's a desktop cleaner, USB charging port. It has 4 accessories with it. Let's see. It says the cleaner is USB charging with vacuum nozzle, cleaning brush, detachable design, and portable mini table dust vacuum cleaner. Crumbs, piano, computer, and so on. And I read that straight off the website, so I don't know how they come up with these descriptions. It's like they must have given to somebody, some kid or something, say, hey, write a description, But anyway, let me say what's on the box. It's a USB 4 charging port. Let's see right here. It says charging desktop cleaner, 1 button start, USB charging, and strong suction. All right. So, this is what you have right here. You get where you can see it a little bit better. You got brush, you got the device itself, got your charging cord, and I think this is the nozzle. All right, and it says right here, get it where you can see it. It says office desktop car seat cleaning. This is clearance cleaning. Keyboard and personal clothes, and it gives you a little information right here saying the product name, mini desktop cleaner, and the product model is the C as in Charlie 900, and it's the charging voltage is 5 volts, charging current 600 mAh, and power is 2 watt, and battery voltage 3.7 volts. Battery capacity is a 500 mAh rechargeable battery in here, and it has a size 112 by 85 by 58 millimeter. All right. That's for the spec junkies out here. Now, for the regular everyday people, let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box so we can see what we're working with. All right. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box. All right. As you see here, we got some accessories, and we got the device itself. All right. So I'm gonna toss that box. All right, we'll get to the main event in a minute. Got all your accessories here in a little plastic baggie. All right, let's pour this stuff out on the desk. All right, got your little instruction booklet like everything else. All right, so this is your little nozzle right here, to connect to it. You can see right here, a little weird looking thing. Looks like a little pipe or something, a little Santa pipe. But anyway, got your little cleaning brush right here, and you got your USB-C, micro USB. You think by now everybody be on board with USB-C, but anyway, it is what it is, micro USB, All right, let's get to the main event. Take it out of the plastic. All right, toss that to the side. Got the instruction booklet, and here you go. See how it looks. Here's your charging slot, USB, micro USB charging slot, power button. Let's see, what else is in here? Oh, you got your little brushes right here to kind of move across the surface, as so. Oh, they kind of rigid too. All right, let me see. How do you open this bad boy up? All right, just twist and turn right there, as you can see right here. I guess that's where all the crumbs collect right here. And I've had one of these before, but not this style. And this comes out because this is where your filter is, because you got to keep that clean too. Let's see if I can get it out. Because I know it's a way to get it out. You just got to pull. But we'll figure that out. Well, wait a minute. I think I see something right here. It has a little arrow. Maybe that might be it. Pull, turn, and pull. Well, I'm not gonna break it just yet. So, you know, let's go. But as you can see in here, it has like a little filter in here. And I'm pretty sure it's got to be a way to pull it off, because I don't think it's like, you know, bolted in or anything or glued in. See, there you go. Just got to be patient. There you go. They had it in there real good too. So this is your filter. You know, you just, you know, brush it off or rinse it off and let it dry, and then you go ahead and put it back in like so. Let's see if I can get it back in. Boy, maybe I should have kept it in there. Trying to get it back in is just as much of a pain as when I took it out. All right. See, it has some arrows right here, but it doesn't have. Oh, okay. I think I see it. It has some arrows right here. There we go. All right. It has some arrows on it. Hopefully, I got it in there. Oh, I didn't turn it on. All right. So let's see if it closes back up. Okay, well, wait a minute. Nope. I guess I got to make sure this filter is down very snug and very good all the way down, or else it's not going to work. Boy, real time filming. Okay, there we go. Got it in there. All right. Boy, man, this thing was trolling me. But anyway, power button. And let's see here. Okay, I can feel a little air on here. Okay, it's only one setting. Let's see what this is worth. I'm guessing you put this in here. I know I need to read directions, but let's see here. So I'm guessing this would be to suck stuff out of little small corners or whatever. See how much suction power it has. Well, I don't have much suction power on that part. But it does have some kind of suction power. All right. So what I want to do, I'm gonna go get something, some like a powder or something, or some rice or something, so we can put down here, something to make some crumbs, so we can demonstrate it and see how good it works. All right. Hold tight. All right, we're back. I got a little plate on here because I don't want to get this salt all over the place. It's the only thing I could think of, you know, to go ahead and use. Let's see here. You know, and the reason why I grabbed the salt is because my wife always getting on me about, you know, wasting salt everywhere when I'm putting them on food. So let me see if this is going to help with that issue, me trying to get that salt up real quick. So I'm going to sprinkle some of this seasoning salt down here on the plate, and then we're going to see how good of a job this thing does, you know, picking up little crumbs, you know, so being salt, it should be able to do that. So let me go ahead and sprinkle some of this seasoning salt on here. Sprinkle some seasoning salt on. I ain't gonna use much. All right. Here's the test. I started to get some pepper, but I was like, nah, that's the wrong answer. I mess around and put pepper in here and then be shooting that everywhere, and I'd be sneezing all day. All right, so let's go ahead and turn the power on. Before I do that, let me try with this little nozzle. See, I mean, I'm not sure if this little nozzle gonna do anything, but let's try it. Let's try it real quick. All right. Oh, I almost cussed right there, but okay. Okay, I see you. Look at that. Okay. Let's get it up, okay. So let's shut it off. Okay. I mean, you know, when I was trying to, you know, mess with it, you know, off camera, I was like, you know, this thing don't feel like it got suction, but it has some suction. You know, that's not gonna pick up, you know, real big stuff, but I mean, just little small, little, you know, stuff to clean off your desk or stove, because it's meant for your desk, but you could also, you know, use it in the kitchen on your stove and countertops and stuff like that. You know, help with stuff like this. So let's go ahead and try this right here. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. It got it. It got it. Look at that. Look at that. It got all that seasoning salt in there. All that seasoning salt. Wow. I'm gonna try it one more time. I'm gonna take the salt out of here and put it back down here. As you can see, all that stuff that came out of it. All that dust. Look at all that dust. Well, all that seasoning salt. All right. So I'm gonna do it again with the nozzle, just to check it out again. All right. One more time with the nozzle, so we can see it a little better. Man. Okay. Let me cut it off. Some kind of way I done got seasoning salt on the desk. So let me wipe this off real quick. Wait, they come with a little brush. I don't know why I'm doing my hand. They come with a little brush. So let me see if get these little crumbs off the desk. Okay. Alright. I must have sprinkled some out when I was taking it apart. Okay, doing a good job. And one thing I will say, these bristles are stiff. These bristles are real stiff. Wow. But hey, this might be a good solution to keeping up a lot of them crumbs off the counter and stove and stuff like that. Okay, I'm liking it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more detailed information on it. So yeah, you know, this may not be, you know, tech like I usually do, but you know, it's still somewhat tech. It's a gadget. You know, I do tech and gadgets, and it was something else. One thing I think I forgot to mention when it comes to battery life. It says it lasts up to 4 hours and it only needs 2 hours to charge. So okay, that's decent. That's decent, you know. But yeah, I think this is pretty cool. Put the rest of this stuff up. I think this is pretty cool. But let me get this out of the way. I'll be playing with this like it's a toy. But yeah, like I said, I'm leaving a link in the description box below where you get more detailed information. And yeah, this is a pretty cool gadget. You know, who knew? I didn't think this was gonna work, but it did. You know, but if you want one for yourself, click on the link in the description box below. You get more detailed information. All right. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you know if I do videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend to subscribe. All right. And for the spec junkies out there, you know, calm down. I'm not tech support. You know, I'm just a regular everyday person that loves tech and gadgets. And, you know, I just like to showcase new gadgets I get on the channel. I'm not the manufacturer. I'm not, you know, repair service. I'm just, you know, regular everyday person. So, you know, tech spec junkies, you know, chill out. All right. But for this right here, this thing works pretty decent. This is the what is this? Desktop vacuum. Doesn't say for Pro Within, whatever company this is. But yeah, it'll be the link down in the description box below. But I appreciate everybody taking out time to check out the video and everything, and hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend. You know what I'm saying? But like I always say in all my videos, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. And the message for the day is, be appreciative. All right, be appreciative. And you're like, Mark, what are you talking about? There's nothing worse than feeling unappreciated. You know, there's some people out there, you know, you know, just want to, you know, they wish they had what you have. So I mean, just appreciate the things you have. I mean, because there's people out there that they're struggling, don't have anything, but you know, we're all blessed to have this and that. You know, show God that you appreciate Him and you appreciate the things you have. I mean, because there's some people out there that don't have anything. And then just coming from a human being point of view, there's nothing worse than feeling unappreciated. You know, I don't know about you, but there's nothing worse than feeling unappreciated. All right, so appreciate what you have and appreciate the people around you, man. I mean, you know, there's nothing worse than that. You know, when you don't appreciate people, you know, that makes people not want to be around you, or just that makes people just feel like dirt. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, take time out of the day and show people you appreciate them, and you know, and appreciate what you have. When you appreciate what you have, that lets God knows that you appreciate Him and you're thankful for everything that He's given to you. All right. So that's the message for today. Be appreciative and appreciate the people in your life, baby, because it goes a long way. That's the message for today. This is your main man, Mark, for Loose Screws and Views. Batter up, batter up, batter up. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace. Clean this mess up, boy. Clean this mess up.